Hi everybody, this is Karaoke Pete. In this tutorial video number 3, I'm going to be showing you the programs, software that I use to convert my CDGs and also to insert them into the PC. Okay, well first of all you're going to need a folder. So look for a folder, name it Karaoke or whatever you want to call it, and remember where it is, because you're going to need to insert all your songs in there, in that particular folder. Okay, the first program I use is this one here by Power Karaoke, Super CDG. See if I can go in here. Okay. Alright, the first thing you notice is that location. This is the DVD CD drive. You need to have a multi-optical drive so it can read the CDGs and the Super CDG discs. They're almost all the CD, DVD drives these days can read these discs. But if you have a multi-optic drive, that'll do the job. Okay, so what you do is you put your CD in your drive, and in a few seconds all the songs, if they don't, you can refresh it, all the songs will pop up here. Whether you have 400 and some songs, 1,000 songs, doesn't matter, it'll read it. The next thing you need to do is down here is the format, the RIP format. I would suggest that you do it in MP3 plus G. You could do it in other formats, but that's the format I prefer because it's very, very small, and you can put in the last time I used the Super CDG, I put 453 songs in there. Okay, and the list will pop up over here. You'll probably see artist title, but the way that it's going to store it in your folder that you pick is going to be title artist. I'll just give you a little example here. I ripped these, and it gives you the title. I don't know if you can see that. Title artist. Okay, so that's by Karaoke, Power Karaoke. You're going to see a link to that site so you can buy it. One good thing about them, like I said earlier in my earlier videos, is that once you buy one, they'll give you a break on anything else that you buy. Okay, so what you do is you put the disc in. When it all pops up over here, you look for a folder to put it in, and the format, and you just hit RIP, and it'll take all those songs and put them in that particular folder. Now, there's a database in the world with all of the CDGs and Super CDG songs, and what you do is, when you put the disc in, it'll read it. As I'm going to show you in the other software, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it'll just give you 1, 2, 3, they'll give you the tracks, and it won't give you an artist or a title. But that's like only 10% of the CDGs. For all of the Super CDGs, they will give you a title and an artist and a track number. Okay, So that's for Power CDG River. That's one program. The other program that I use is Power CDG Burner 2. This one has a few functions. You can burn. Can you see that? Yeah, you can burn, you can rip, you can copy, or you can convert. Let's say that by some reason or another, what you have is CDGs. Once you bring them up, you add the files in, you go to convert, and it'll convert them to a smaller format, or the zip, or the wave plus G. So you can use it in your Windows. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to rip from whatever CDG you have. Remember, CDG, not Super CDG. And I have an optic DVD RWAD 726 IS. That's the one I have, but almost any optic drive will do it. CD, DVD drive. And I put down here the format CDG plus MP3 plus G. MP3. Just like with the Super CDE. And then again, you look for a folder to put it in. And once you put the disc in, you refresh it, the songs will come up. Remember, like I said, in 90% of the times the songs will show up over here. On some discs, because they haven't been inserted into the big database, it won't do it. But most discs are in there. Okay. Let's say if you want to copy a disc, you put it in there and it'll copy it somewhere, wherever you choose. If you want to convert it, we spoke about that. You convert it from one to another. And then if, now keep in mind this little thing here, delete originals. I never delete it because you never know if you're going to ever need it. And again, it all depends on where you store it. So I always unclick this delete originals. Okay, now I'm going to show you over here, if you could see that. It'll say use FreeDB to search for track names on the internet. And that's the site right there that keeps all of the information on all the CDGs and Super CDGs. Okay. Okay, as always, please subscribe, and that helps me a whole lot. And there's going to be links so you can go to Power Karaoke and go ahead and purchase your software. Good luck in your KJ venture. I love to sing. Been doing it for a long time. That's why my voice is a little raspy. Okay, so good luck. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.